Network virtualization, it's an interesting space for people to look at from a career perspective because it's a net new when we look at it from a virtualization perspective, but obviously there's a whole lot of folks who are already certified and who have built long careers on physical networking. So for somebody new that's looking to either start their career or for somebody who's in the middle of their career saying, what do I have to do next? The growth opportunities in network virtualization are what are going to attract somebody into moving into that space and saying, this is what I need to do for the rest of my career. In organizations in the past, when we deal with a separation of compute with physical networking, a lot of times working together simply meant a phone call. Hey, I need this. Or, hey, we're deploying something new. Can you help? Now it's two guys coming together to say, how do we redesign for this ultimate vision of a software-defined data center with what you know in the traditional networking, what I know in the traditional compute, and what both of us are starting to learn here with network virtualization. So network virtualization, in the way that it's fundamentally changing the job role of the network administrator as it elevates the workload out of the traditional hardware space, it makes somebody feel like, well, if you're going to take this away from me, how do I get it back? Where is it going and how do I go get it? And for a network administrator, this opportunity to get trained and certified in network virtualization is going to continue to allow them to operate in that space where they're actually a functional, reliable part of the environment on a daily basis.